Yeah, Tanishka. You can start with the demonstration. You need to show one output, right? You can start, Tanishka.
The file, I couldn't find it in the VS Code. Like even last time I showed it to you. I did not delete it, but it's like I couldn't find. Can I share my screen and shows?
Okay, sure.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
So I couldn't find it here. Like, but I sent the screenshot. I did not delete it even.
Okay. You sent the screenshot, right? They have Python copy uploaded in assignments folder.
So I think I sent like I uploaded the screenshots, sir.
Uh,
So is there any way like I can get it because I did not delete it?
okay. We can't retrieve from the Visual Studio Code. You have to check in your mic, I mean, in your system itself. Try to search everywhere. If you can get it, you can show at the end of the class, or else it's fine.
No? Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So Alpha, yours Flask was remaining, right? Can you show your output?
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir.
You can start explaining the code.
Sir, I still have the same error.
This one I mentioned, this one is because of your.
So what changes should I make in this code?
No, if you see over here, tag end, like you need to, if you have opened some if else statement, right? You need to end this one.
So can I show by the end of this class?
Okay. You have the class recording, right? What you do is in next class, go through the class recording,
Yes, sir.
uh, or else add an else statement, returning nothing, and you can show by end of this session. Can you do that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next, Abhishek is done. Sibinath.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you share your screen and show all the outputs?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Sir, this what I did regarding app.py, but I faced lot of issues, so I sent you in WhatsApp. You said that,
It has to be small templates, right? In there, instead of capital T templates, make it small t. I mentioned this also, right?
sir.
I mentioned to make it small t, right?
So this one.
Yeah. Try running the code now. Why are you
Sir,
running all the code? You need to
sir?
run only app.py, right?
Yes,
You're running
sir.
all the codes. Run only Python app.py. You have installed Python, right?
Yes, sir, I've installed it.
Type Python minus minus version. Python. It's not Python. Python.
Yes, sir.
App.py. Okay, in app.py, why there are like three underscore before main and after main?
Sir, is this one?
Yeah, why there are three underscores?
So should I cancel it?
Yeah, only two has to be there, right? Two
Okay, sir.
underscores for name and main also both.
Should I run the code now, sir?
Yeah, can you go to your templates and open index.html file? There is nothing inside this index.html file, right?
Sir, when I sent you, it was there, but
Okay, rework on this Flask, like go through all the tutorials and work on this Flask once again from starting
okay,
and show
sir.
this other outputs now. Arguments, array, dictionary and variables.
Sir, should I run this also?
Yeah, you have to run everything. Now use Python array.py. Can you explain the code and what's happening in the output?
So here array is equal to the numbers are given. Print initial array, the starting array and array. So here array dot append 65. Here after array 65 will be removed here. After inserting this array function, then here array dot insert, we'll insert some new numbers 7 and 24. After giving this function, then here array dot remove 89. From this 89 will be removed. Then array dot reverse, the numbers will be reversed from here to from the backward. Then
In line 13, you're getting one error, right?
yes, sir.
And what's the mistake in line 14 and 16?
So 14 and 16.
What you need to print? What you're doing in line 15 and 13?
Array dot index and array count after count.
What are you printing in 14 and 16 now? What is the output?
Sir, 70.
You're doing one mistake in line 14 and 16. If you're doing some operation inside a variable index of 70, see why you're printing array in 14 and 16. And line 13 model index value error 70 is not in the list. Index 70. So if there is, what is it? There is no 70, that's why you're getting this error, right? You need to find the numbers which are there inside the array.
Okay, sir. Should I
So you
add it?
just copied, no, you just copied whatever is there in the video tutorial and you just executed the output.
Yes, sir.
So did you try to understand what is happening in array.index of 70 and array.count of 70?
Sir, last like 14th, 13th and 15th line I did not understand. Except that everything I understood, sir.
Okay, did you try any other ways to understand that one? Like going through other website and understanding what will happen if I give array.index 70?
No, sir.
Why is that? You have to do some homework, like kind of thing, right? You have to do some self-study.
Yes, sir. What?
Or else, why didn't you ask me like after the class or something?
Sir?
No, why didn't you ask after this session? I completed array and you've done this assignment, right? So
Sir,
in
I
next class,
was absent on that class, so I just saw the recorded video and did my assignment.
okay, I understood your point. You went through that recorded video and you did the output. Okay, I understand that you wanted to like kind of complete it after going through the videos, but there was some ample amount of time given in class sessions, right? In order to clear your doubts. You didn't come up with these doubts or something. Why is that? Like there was separate two sessions were taken, right? In order to clear your doubts. I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yeah, okay. I'm telling that there were time given, right? There were two sessions taken in order to clear all your doubts. Why didn't you come up with during that time?
Sir, last class also I did not attend.
No, it was not last class. Previous three classes or two classes, it was only to like clear your doubts. Okay, go to dictionaries.py.
Sir, dictionaries I did not do it. Variables and arguments I have done, sir.
Okay, wait, open variables.py file. Only this much was taught in class.
No, sir.
Okay, what was taught in variable classes? Like there were same so many practice and assignment questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Where are those? Okay, see, Vinat, let's just say that your output demonstration is partial. So what I want to do is like by coming through by next class, practice all the questions and complete your assignments and show the demonstration in next class. Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yes.
Sorry for this. I'll submit it as soon as
Okay, it's
possible.
fine. No need to be sorry. Like it's fine. I can understand like in that time for doing that. But in next class, I want to see all the outputs. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Can I stop sharing it?
Yeah, you can stop.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Tanishka.
Sir, I got it. So can I share?
Yeah, you can share.
Actually, it was project one. Like in when I presented everything in the previous session, I didn't present this. Like, this is the one.
Sorry, can you repeat?
So like I was thinking that I like it got deleted, but it's project one.
Okay, fine. You can explain this code.
So like this one or the HTML ones.
HTML.
Yes. So here I used ordered list and unordered list. Like I learned this when some Korean university students taught us when we were learning about HTML. Like here, I just used this ordered list and like for the heading, and then the unordered list to write the points under the headings. Like that's the thing I did the same thing for all the stuff.
Output, can you show? Okay. This is fine.
And this one, like you sent a picture in the group to write the headings, so I like the main heading.
Do I need to send something for that one?
No, sir. Like all the points, I just use ordered and unordered list. But for the heading, you sent a picture in the group, so I that's how I wrote it.
Okay, okay, it's fine. You have used H1 tag, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. It's fine.
So can I stop sharing my screen?
Yeah, you can stop. Okay, Tanisha is done. Then Kampu, you need to show your output. Last class you failed to show because you told you were not having laptop.
Yes,
You can start sharing your screen.
sir.
Yeah, share your screen and start explaining the codes. Yeah, your screen is visible. You can start explaining the code.
Yes. Sir, I am here giving names Nabiha, Chaitanya, Krupashri, Surabi. In this, I appended Danya. It will add Danya here and print name. And I will remove Krupashri. It is removing Krupashri. And I insert for second for second I inserted new line, so it is inserted here, and I sorted A to Z like that it coming, and next I popped and the output is coming, and then that I am reversed.
Can you explain in
That
detail like what is happening for each and everything you're doing this code, right? You mentioned name.pop or name.sort. Like, can you tell like what's happening inside that one?
Uh, so sort means from A to Z alphabetic order it will come the name,
Okay.
like Chaitanya, Danya, Nabiha, Nurain, Surabhi. In reverse, Z to A. Nurain, Nabiha, Adanya, Chaitanya.
Okay. What about pop?
So pop, like uh, counting that.
What do you mean by counting that?
So that how many words I written.
Okay, you need to get that output, right? How many words you have written?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Are you sure it's count?
Sir, but not it coming like this only, so Chaitanya, Danya, Nabhas. Right.
What's the output you're getting for pop? Which is the line? Like in your terminal. After pop, what's the output?
So this,
No, that is after what is it? Name dot sort.
so this.
So what's the difference between previous output and this output?
Sir, that last name is removed.
Okay, so what does pop do now?
So one name is removed from last.
Okay, so what pop does is that it removes the last element. So Surabhi was the last element and it removed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you do something, right, you need to understand why we are doing that in coding. So that is the reason, like you need to understand and do the outputs. Okay,
Okay,
go to
sir.
dictionaries.
Sir, in student name in I given key name and value Anisha and key age and value 7. Class key is the class and value is 4. Then I student class I added one another dictionary class teacher is equal to Suchitra and it is added, sir. Yeah. And next I updated this instead of this I updated name Kampu, age 12, class 7th, class teacher Chinlakshmi, and it is printed. Sir, and I deleted student. I deleted class. In this class, it's deleted. In this, and I did a pop. The last element is deleted. Sir. Next, age is showing like here 12. The pop age print is 12, and the next for key in student print key. It will print keyword, key value, key name, class teacher. Print len, print len student. To is len one key and value compo age and class teacher. And next student keys is here name, class teacher, and values compo Chilakshmi. Item one pair, name and compo one pair, class teacher and Chilakshmi one.
Okay. Did she log out like due to bad internet connection? Kampi, are you there? Like your
Send my neighbor.
share screen.
Yes.
Okay. Can you share the
Uh,
screen again?
it is disconnected.
No, you're audible. Can you share your screen once again and try?
So my screen is visible.
Not yet. It's still black. Yeah, it's visible now. Go to functions.
So in I define function. I am given function. Print hello everyone. So I will. In this, I given hello world, and this printed hello world. So next in function, I given argument temple. This print this temple is so plus temple 0. So I given function beautiful one, curious, excitement, and I given 0 here. It will 0 means in Python it will print first one, and output is coming. This temple is so beautiful. Def function in argument child. So this is also same as previous. The smart child is child 2. In function Mitai RAM is 2. Then the smart child is RAM. Function child 3, child 2, child 1. Print the smart child is child plus child 2. I give a name for that. Child 1 is equal to Ria, child 2 Mita, child 3 Ram. In this 2 means Ram only. In this 2 I am given this child to Mita. The smart child is Mita. Def function in def function kid print she's first name is plus kid name 1. Function name 1 is equal to Radha, name 2 Rani, and I give a name 1, it will print Radha. His first name is Radha. A function state is equal to Karnataka. Print the states of India is plus given state here. Function first function West Bengal, Punjab, and function in this what is there it will print, and function Kerala. The states of India is West Bengal, Punjab, Karnataka is coming here, and Kerala. And this function country for I in country print I. States is equal to Tamil Nadu, Goa, Haryana. Functions states. So this will print here Tamil Nadu, Goa, Haryana. Def function I slash print I function 5. So it will print 5 number.
Why did you give that backslash? Uh, function
So,
I, comma backslash.
so, uh, so
Why is
in
that
it,
function
in
defined and what's the role of that function?
sir.
What's the role of that function? Line 34.
So once again, can you repeat?
No, no.
Voice is
What's happening in line 34? You have defined a function, right? I comma backslash. What does it do?
so the slash will give the number 5.
I can just directly give I
I'm
and
given
print
number.
I, right?
Yes, sir.
So why that slash is given backslash?
So in that W3 school, the code is like, but I changed.
No, no, no. I'm just asking. If you have written that code, right, there should be some meaning for that line. So backslash why did you use? Or I can directly use I and print 5, right?
Okay, sir.
No, I'm not telling you to delete. I'm telling you like why did you use that backslash? I'm asking.
Uh, sir, to print this function.
That I can do directly, right? Why should I use backslash? Okay, continue.
A function I print I function I is equal to 12. In this 12 is printed, and next function I print I function 74. 74 is printed. Here addition will go. Function EF slash into GH. Print E plus F plus G plus H. That's before the slash 2 and 4 are printed normally, and are given for G9 H3. In before the slash, it will give the value E is equal to 2, F is equal to 2, but after slash and into it will give G is equal to 9, H is equal to 3. It will add, and answer is 18.
You need to explain that clearly. I didn't understand that last function. Okay, I'll ask someone.
Sir, here
Just a minute. Just a minute. Jaswin, did you understand like what she told in this line 50 to 52, the function?
Sir, can she repeat it again?
Okay, Kampu, can you repeat once again? They were not able to understand.
So in the function I given EF slash into GH. Print I given addition formula here, and function it will directly print before the slash 2, 4. It means 2 is equal to E, 4 is equal to F, and after the slash and into G is equal to 9 and H is equal to 3. Then it will add all and give.
What was your understanding? It's just basic function. Why did she use backslash or asterisk over there? And why it's not giving error? So
Sir,
simple.
it's not a proper code.
Okay.
Because we can't directly print E plus F plus G plus H.
No, but it's taking those values and giving the output, right?
Uh,
Even though she has defined some variables for the function, backslash and asterisk, it has to give some value error. Okay, it's fine. I just wanted to ask, like, were you able to understand that code? Kampu, like, where is your Flask output? And I think so. You're missing so many things in functions and dictionaries also. Once again, then yeah, variables like also that output is not there.
So
Flask output.
I have the so Flask output. I did not make the list because HTML. I don't know little bit. I know title like that, so I did not make that. So in next class I will see the tutorial, and I will.
Okay, I'll ask you also. Like there were two sessions taken, right? In order to clear your doubts. Why didn't you ask? Like I didn't understand HTML that time.
Yes, but one class I did not attend because I am not well, and
Okay.
another one class I attending, but I cannot on the audio in that the network is.
Or else you'd have gone through those tutorials, right? Tutorial video.
Is searching, but in YouTube I not find. Later I am searching the last class video, and I see last class video only, sir. Before that last class.
In next class, I need to see all other outputs. So make sure it's there. You go through the video and complete that one.
Yes, sir. So Flask and variables.
And you're missing your assignments, and so many things are still missing in this. because I've thought about the global variables and like inside the functions, like how to use global and local variables. Those also were thought, right? That is also missing. You need to rewrite this one, and we'll see in next class once again. Kundan, computer you can stop. Kundan, you can start. Kundan, are you online? Can anyone message to Kundan? Okay, I'll just message in the group. By that time, Jaswin, you can start.
Okay, heading with the area of triangle. Um, for that code, I have defined a function called area of triangle with parentheses of height and base, and given a variable area is equal to 0.5 into base into height, means half into base into height, and then I return the value area, and then I put height is equal to float input, enter the value for height. Float is used to give the decimal numbers to get the use of decimal numbers. And then base, enter the value for base. Then area is equal to area of triangle, where height comma base. And then
This is
I
area of
print.
triangle for function, right? Or assignment. Run this code.
Okay.
Can you see in line 7?
So is it fine?
Off into base into it. Okay. Give us some other numbers and test.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Next, I come with custom error messages. In this code is used to print an error if the number is not positive. For example, if the number is less than zero, for example, -1, -2, or -3, which is not in the form of positive numbers, it will be, if it is a positive number, um, it will print if it is not an positive number, it will print number must be a positive. As I have given here, print check underscore positive underscore number, I have given the value -10. For example, if I change it, I will get an I will get the direct input of the value which I have entered in this parenthesis. For example, if I want, if I give this as minus 10, I will be getting an error called as a value error named number must be positive.
Try odd numbers.
Sir, I had entered odd number, and this is the output what I got.
10 you have entered, right?
Yeah, I had entered 10 and I got the 10 itself.
See, you're trying to check the positive number.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Negative number you try, sorry. I just got
Uh,
confused. Why is it always printing 10? Save this, save the file. Okay, go to terminal and press up arrow key. Go to terminal.
yes.
Click on terminal. No, no, no. Don't start new terminal. The same terminal. Click on that one. Where you type that Python, right? Click there.
Okay.
Press up arrow. Okay. And press enter. Okay. You're getting the output, right? Okay, fine.
Yes.
Defining.py, what's in there?
Sir, it's just how to define an function. Uh, so here I've
What
given
function? Can you
a
repeat what
function
function?
called request.
No, this is some kind of function, right? What is that?
Um, uh, to check sir,
No, what function type? I'm asking this one.
I so it's a definition. I mean,
No, no, this is what type of function is this?
defining a function, def function.
No, this is a type of function. Nitish, can you tell what type of function is this? Because he'll be knowing this one. He is
The positional arguments.
okay. So positional arguments, right, Jasmine? Can you tell like what positional argument function does?
Sir, can you repeat?
No, he mentioned that it's argument function, right? What does argument
Yes, sir.
function does?
Hmm. Sir, for example, uh, uh, it is a way to pass an argument to a function. Like for example, on the based on their orders. I mean, the position.
Okay. Start explaining the code. Like you can continue. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So I have given a function called request, then def request, um, asterisk rate for name and rate, print hey name, where in this name I'm gonna enter my name, any of the names, and then I give a request. I mean, the function, and then I print. I mean, it just prints hello, comma JSON with the output. it's gonna print hey hello and then hey Jaswin.
Next, error.py. Alpha, let Jaswin complete and you can start sharing. Let him complete.
Okay, sir.
Then this is an zero division error. Here I define a function called division underscore numbers. Whenever the number, whenever the result comes 0, it says it is an, whenever the dividend, the denominator or numerator uh, gets a 0 in it, it just prints zero division is not capable to work, or then it returns it must be numbers. If I enter any other letters and then letters other than numbers, it's gonna print it must be a numbers. For example, I ask enter the number for numerator and denominator. The result will be 0.8344. Instead of that, I'm giving 0 and 1. Result will,
Okay, next. You can start.
okay, sir. And this function has arguments. In this, I have given a function called apply underscore function, where function and values are the parentheses, and then I return those parentheses. In this, I give a new, I define a new function called square with the parenthesis x, and then return x with the exponential of 2, and then define cube where it is gonna exponent with 3, and then print apply underscore function. I'm gonna print this function, and then I'm gonna enter a value or anything. I have given a value here. This value, this parenthesis or this value, values thing I have given 5, and then well square. After doing the square, if I do square of this, I'm gonna get an output.
Next. Task output is there.
Sir, I am getting an error here.
Which error can you show it to me?
Sir, file or the document is not available. No such file is available.
VSC new. Desktop VSC new. Okay. Can you type dir in terminal? Press
Yes.
enter. It's there, right? FNS arguments.py file. It's .py extension.
Okay.
Rename that file. Okay. Leaving Alpha, Jaswin, and Nitish. Others can leave. So it will just be the output, or else you can stay if you wish to stay.
I got the output 25 and 27.
Okay.
And then comes with global variable and local variable. I am gonna give a value for the global variable as 50, and then define a variable. In this variable, inside this variable, I'm gonna give a local variable with a uh, value of 20, and then I'm gonna print in this function global variable, and then in this function local variable, and then I'm gonna open this variable thing variable, and then print out of the function, means which is out of this defined variable thing, which is global variable. It will print 50, for example.
Okay, this one is there. What about arrays and dictionaries? Those practice and assignments. There were so many missing in variables also. And Flask output.
Sir, I will take it. It's another.
You have to show me next class.
Okay, sir, I had this file.
Okay, okay, Tanishka. I'll make the recording as soon as you leave.